Today we'll be going over the second video in section 1 of getting up and running with Meteor. Specifically, we will be talking about how to set up Meteor. We will go over which operating systems Meteor supports and which ones it plans to support in the near future so you can get up and running quickly. We'll also be doing a manual installation of Node and NPM because Meteor depends on them and you probably already have them installed anyway. And then finally, we will do an actual installation of Meteor from the command line. So buckle up, we'll be up and running in no time. Open up a browser and navigate to meteor.com and go ahead and click on Install Meteor there in the middle. Okay? And we can see from here all of the different operating systems that Meteor supports. Meteor has always supported OS X and Linux through the command line, and the curl command that you see right here, we'll use that in just a minute, but we want to emphasize that as of the last release, Meteor now has official support for Windows, which is great news for all of you Windows users out there that you no longer have to use any workarounds. And of course, you can always use Nitrous IO for Chromebook. So wonderful options we have. We're now going to go directly into an installation of Node. Now, Meteor is built on top of Node, and so it requires Node and NPM to be installed. We're going to show the manual installation of Node because Node and NPM by themselves are very valuable, and you want to have them installed regardless of whether you have Meteor installed. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. We're going to go over and click on Install. Once the download is complete, we'll go ahead and install the package. And we're going to go ahead and speed this up a little bit just so we don't waste your time. Okay, great. Node has been installed, and you'll notice the location under user local bin, and NPM has been installed as well. So now we're going to go ahead and check that installation. So we'll close this window. We will open a terminal window, and inside the terminal window, we will type node-v. And here we see that we have version 0.10.33, which, double checking, is the current version. So lo and behold, Node is installed. We're now ready to install Meteor, so we're going to go to meteor.com, click on Install, and here is the curl command that we can run in the command line. Now, you can go ahead and copy this, but I'm going to go ahead and type it in. So I'm going to type in curl https://install.meteor.com and pipe it to sh so that it knows what the script to run. Now this will download, take just a few minutes to download here. We've sped this up for you, and there it is. Meteor is installed. We're going to go ahead and check that by typing meteor -- version. And we have Meteor 1.0 installed. Very quick and painless. So we have learned about the different operating systems that Meteor supports, namely Linux, Mac, and Windows, and of course you can even use it on a Chromebook. We installed Node and NPM manually, and we showed you how to install Meteor. So everything you need to know to get started. Our next video is an introduction to Meteor scaffolding, where we'll go over setting up your projects right. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you then.